Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a extreme clean, and I will be cleaning out my refrigerator. Okay, but before we get into the video, let's hit that subscribe button so you can get notifications. Yes, tell them, mama. I have my daughter right here who's gonna watch me clean. So let's get into this cleaning. But make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell too, so you can get notifications of when I post. Okay, move that number up there, okay, and hit that subscribe button. Now I'm gonna clean my refrigerator out. Do not judge me. It is bad. It is packed. It is disgusting. Okay, and I will be cleaning it out today. That's why you're here, so you can see the before and after. So let's get started. Do you see this? Do you see how packed my refrigerator is? Okay, let me show you how packed my refrigerator is. It is packed. I haven't cleaned it out in so long, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna clean it out, take some stuff out, move stuff around, and clean the counters, the little stuff in here. You know, we're gonna clean everything out. Everything must come out. So like I said, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and follow me on my social media. So this is going to take quite some time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything out, shut the camera off while I do that, and then show you guys what my refrigerator looks like after I take everything out, and disposing old food, stuff I don't need, stuff we don't use anymore. And I'm going to show you what it looks like empty. Okay, so I took everything out of my refrigerator. It literally took me like little over 20 minutes because I had to feed my daughter too. So I say it took me like 40 minutes. That's with me feeding my daughter. So I took everything out, and that's what I'm about to show you. My refrigerator totally empty. But before I do that, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I know you haven't. My number's still the same. Hit that subscribe button right there at the top, okay? And let me show you guys my refrigerator. Do not judge me, okay? So this is my refrigerator, totally empty, and watch how I clean everything out. Like right here are some crumbs. These shelves are easily broken, so like I gotta wipe this down. But everything else, like this one is fine. I'm gonna just take out and wash in the sink. This one is broken, and I'm going to wipe this down. All this stuff back here is like old vegetables. okay? Old vegetables. This is old fruit juice, okay? So do not judge me. I am about to take everything out and wash it in the sink with some hot water and Dawn soap and some bleach, okay? So guys, I have a couple of more shelves to do. I have these to wash down. I'm gonna wash these in the sink, and then once I take those shelves out, I will get some hot water and some bleach and clear that up, okay? And the same thing for these shelves. I'm going to turn my yes, mama. I'm going to stop my camera, and then I'm gonna show you what everything looks like after. So hey guys, I got a scrub it pad and some hot water, and I'm about to scrub the bottom of the refrigerator. So I want to show you guys how I do it. This is what it looks like. So this is, it's hard and sticky. Now that I got the sticky stuff off, I am about to put bleach and hot water throughout the whole thing, because everything else can be wiped down. So I had to stop for what I was doing for a little bit to, you know, tend to my baby girl. But I did clean the shelves, and I did put the shelves back. So that's what I'm gonna show you, what my refrigerator looks like now, clean, after I took everything out, washed the shelves, and put the shelves back. So now what I'm about to do is put the food back in the refrigerator and organize it, and after that I should be done. But question, guys, did you hit that subscribe button? Make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below and let me know what you think, okay? Hit the like button and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and oh, excuse you, and Snapchat. This is the end of my video, and I just wanted to show you guys the results. I took all the shelves out. I took the food out first, then I took the shelves out and I cleaned the shelves, and then I put the shelves back, and then I put all the food that I wanted in my refrigerator organized. So here is the finished results of my refrigerator. And here's everything that I threw out right over there in the garbage. At the bottom of the refrigerator, I have like a stain there. I don't know where that stain came from, but I will clean that up with some hot water and some bleach. Then I will sweep the floor, because I did make a mess on the floor from crumbs. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, because if I can do it for you guys, I would. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell to get some notifications, and leave a comment below and tell me what you think of the video. I hope you guys have a nice day, and I'm about to put my baby to sleep. Okay, thanks for watching.